This is a database diagram, entity relationship. It visualizes how database tables connect. You need the specific modeling tool, like Toad or Visio, to view it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's view the diagram. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the ERD archive, even if it can't fully extract it. An ERD file stores an entity relationship diagram, a visual representation of data entities and their relationships within a database system. ERDs are crucial for database design, providing a clear overview of the data structure and how different data elements interact. They aid in understanding and documenting complex database systems. ERD files typically contain information about entities, tables, attributes, columns, and relationships, connections between entities. The format often uses a standardized notation, such as Chen's notation or crow's foot notation, to represent these elements. The file may be stored in a proprietary format specific to the ERD design tool used. In most cases, ERD files work reliably with database design tools. The raw visual data is present, but Windows lacks the necessary parser to display it correctly. Windows has limited support for data structures, so proper viewing depends on matching tools. To resolve this, right-click your ERD file and choose Open With. Pick an app that fits the file's category. Database Design Tools is a general bucket. Then test other options until it opens. If the ERD file won't budge, stay calm. Due to the specificity of the ERD format, we can't skip verification. I need you to check off these crucial steps before we attempt the solution. First, use ER Studio. Open the file using IDERA ER Studio, the required application for the database diagram. Next, check version. Ensure your ER Studio version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, export to PDF image. Use the software's export function to save the diagram as a universal format like .pdf or .png. The inability to open an ERD file often points to an identity crisis, where the extension name doesn't match the file's true internal structure. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When your ERD file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Like, subscribe, and fix those files. It's that simple. Don't forget the quick fix steps we covered.